If I say 0.3 to 0.4, I'll say 0.31, 0.32, 0.34. So that minute, that nuances of the object can be understood very clearly as far as the continuous spectrum is concerned. Because you're getting continuous spectrum here. That's, if you see carefully, the multispectral has different bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Whereas in the hyperspectral, you have hundreds of bands. When people talk about ultrasolar spectral, please ask him. I have not worked on that. Rahul, please give Gyan words. Ultra also in case if you can. So this is exactly which is going to help us. With simple RGB, red, green, blue, black and white, or those images, you can get some information. For example, you take this one. I'm using drone as a sensing platform, not as a satellite. So if I say this one is drone, if I use simple RGB, I can simply say biomass. It's vegetation or non-vegetation. I can get this information about biomass. If I go for multispectral, maybe I can identify the condition of the crop. If I use the hyperspectral, I can quantify them. And I can even classify them, whether it is biotic or abiotic. Things like that, people are using it these days, using these hyperspectral systems. I'm also not going to the details about that, friends. It's a very big course in the curriculum where the geoinformatics course is concerned. The other system I'm sure you must have heard about is the geographical information system. Like any other information system, you have organized collection of computer, hardware, software, but not just a normal data, you have a geographic data where your coordinates are known. That you are using it, you and me, to store, update, analyze and things like that, and see that is useful to generate an information which is geographically referenced. I can say, look, this watershed is available in geographic coordinates. I know the area, I can make queries, friends. So that advantage you have it in the geographical information system. It integrates spatial and non-spatial data also. It is not necessary, please remember this, we always get confused. Is remote sensing is only the source of data? No. We can use remote sensing as one of the data for us and then integrate with another non-spatial or other spatial data to get a very integrated information where you can take mutual decision making. So that's the advantage to have it as far as the GIS is concerned. Just to give you how it works. I'm having a satellite. Imagine the satellite as my source. I'm developing this